Hey people, so this is a video I'm shooting with an iPhone. Now onwards, all these restaurant videos, these videos I can do it with an iPhone, and it's so clear, really. So yeah, we are sitting at another location this is in Apollo. They have even this football ground there. That's a football ground in the far distance, and so these rabbits, I want them to have this chance of playing whenever they get a chance. Though of course they come back and sit very close to me. I want my children to be happy. Yeah, that's important. So yeah, these are nice rocks, and if you were to take a look, this is nice. It's almost like a little forest. Yeah, and it's very healing sitting under trees. I was to sit there watching the match, which I will go. It will last another 1 hour. It is 1:15 in the afternoon right now. So yeah, so that's I want my little animals to see a new world and all of that. And I just hope they are fine. Yeah, I hope life treats them kind. So yeah, rambling video, but so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.